Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So I just wanted to make a quick update on Bitcoin. I know that on the social media, people are just freaking out. Bitcoin is going down, and Bitcoin is going to 15K, and are we going to the 12K or 10K? Well, I think up to now, I would say this is a nonsense. Yes, it's possible. If ever we go and we make a new lower low, so that is going to be less than 15,600, then maybe we can start talking about those kind of levels. But for the moment, nothing to do. I don't see why we should even waste time to talk about it. So as you can see, we did this bigger corrective movement. We did lose about 86%, I believe, this time Bitcoin went. So it's from here to here, 75%. All right. So actually, Bitcoin, it did much better than before, because before it was, the first cycle, I think it went down 96%, and after that, I think 92, and after 86. So it's actually everything positive, Now, more likely, we already completed this corrective movement. This is the bear count. Once again, could be the 3, this could be the WXY, and this is why I kept saying this yellow box is very important, because it's going to decide if this indeed it's just the wave 4 and we're going to make a new lower low, which I don't think so, but it's still there, maybe 5% chance. And so starting from the beginning of this low, or new low of this cycle, we went up 86.79%. And then from the current price, which is 25,600-ish, to start to be really bearish, and we need to go below the previous low, and then that would imply that Bitcoin needs to lose 39% of his value, of today's value. So I think not impossible, but much unlikely. Now we can see that we were oversold. Now we got a bounce. So price is going lower, but now we can see some sign of the RSI of going higher. And once again, price, so I don't want to say it's a very nice bullish divergence, but it's maybe a sign of maybe a beginning of one. Maybe price is getting exhausted at this level, and I don't know who is willing to sell Bitcoin at this price. I don't know many, in my case anyway. Also, we're keeping up for a moment, making higher high and higher lows. So that's another thing. So now let's go to the bullish chart. So this, we had our first wave in green. We had this wave 2. Now within this, we can count another 1, 2. And this actually could be just a 1 here, and an A overshooting wave B, and a C. So I don't know why people are freaking out for a moment. Let me take out these. So as you can see now, we were in dangerous water, but only if we consider this as a wave 1 and this a corrective movement, like a blue count, like even more, I would say, I'll try to do it, let me see here. So if this is a 1, 2, this is the beginning of the third wave in green. Within this third wave, we have the yellow count, right? So we did a 1 and a 2. Now, if this has to be another 1, 2, this is going to be a 1, 2 in blue, which is part of the third wave in yellow. So, and we can keep going like this forever, right? Well, not forever, but for a long time. Actually, more than 4, 1, 2, then it starts to be unlikely. All right, so now that we agree on these counts, now either this is another 1, 2, and now we're going to start to skyrocket, or we just say that this is the 1, this is the A, B, C. So to invalidate this count, let's see how it goes. So if I do the Fibonacci retracement, 3, 4, and 5, so I'm going to put it here because, let me put it further. I'm going to count the wave 1 here in that case, because we could say that this was a 1, a 2, and this is, you know, micro counting. Maybe this was a short 1, 2, this is the 3, this is the 4, and this is the 5. So yeah, so if I count this as a wave 1 instead of the B, for the moment I'm going to keep it like that because we're not getting invalidating, and we're not getting validated. So you need to realize that below 22,152, then we can start to say, okay, maybe this is something else. But for a moment, nothing changed. So even if price go a little bit lower, or even beat this count, it just make, it doesn't invalidate the count. We just have to remake the count. So this would be just a 1 and an A, overshooting with B and a C. So this is for that. And now if this was the wave, if we do it like that, all right, so this is the wave 1, the N. So this is the wave 2, the wave B, sorry. This is the wave A. Now I add that to the wave B here. Here we go. So the 1-to-1 ratio, as you can see, is 24,930. So once again, you know, if we go below 25,000, I'm still not freaking out because it's perfectly normal. So I don't know why people keep freaking out. It's all good. All right, so this is pretty much all what I wanted to share with you guys on Bitcoin. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.